Welcome back to Maths Lover, your go-to place for real-world construction knowledge and safety tips. Before we begin, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell icon so you never miss out on our expert guides. Today's video is all about how to calculate safe crane load limits on site step by step. Crane operations may look simple, but misjudging the load or working radius can lead to dangerous failures. That's why precise calculations are a must for every lifting operation. Let's begin with what affects crane capacity. First, the type of crane. Different cranes have different behaviors. Mobile, crawler, and tower cranes all vary in capacity and balance. Second, the boom length. The more the boom extends, the less weight it can carry. That's basic leverage at work. Third, the working radius, the horizontal distance from the center of the crane to the center of the load. Even a 1 meter miscalculation here can drastically reduce safe lifting capacity. Fourth, site conditions. Is the ground level and firm? Are the outriggers fully deployed? Slopes and soft soil can make a crane unstable. And of course, the load chart, this document tells you exactly how much you can safely lift at each radius and boom angle. Now let's break down the step-by-step calculation process. Step 1, know your load. This includes not just the object being lifted, but also slings, shackles, spreader bars, everything. Step 2, measure the radius carefully. Use a measuring tape or laser rangefinder from the center pin of the crane to the center of the load. Step 3, identify the boom length and angle. This determines your reach and directly affects capacity. Step 4, use the crane's load chart. Find your configuration, boom length, radius, and look up the safe lifting capacity for that setup. Step 5, apply a safety margin. Industry standards usually recommend using only 75 to 85% of the maximum rated load. This gives you a safe buffer. Now, let's quickly cover the common mistakes people make. 1, forgetting to add rigging weight. That 500 kilogram spreader beam matters. 2, guessing the radius or using approximate values. This leads to underestimating the actual force on the crane. 3, ignoring ground conditions. Always check soil firmness and use mats or cribbing under outriggers. 4, misreading or skipping the load chart. This is one of the most dangerous mistakes and often leads to overload. To stay safe on site, follow these tips. Plan every lift during toolbox talks. Lifting calculators or mobile apps. Always include your crane operator in planning. Who's a trained signal person, and keep proper records of all lift plans and calculations. Let's summarize. Safe crane lifting requires knowing the actual total weight of the load, measuring radius precisely, checking boom angle and length, using the correct load chart, and applying a realistic safety margin. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, hit the like button and share it with your crew. Don't forget to subscribe to Math Lover for more practical lifting and construction insights. Stay smart, stay safe. This is what I want you to create, so don't miss out anything. Never miss and do mistake, be careful.